If you want to promote your product and services on Instagram and generate leads on WhatsApp, then in this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step method which you can use to promote your product and services on Instagram and generate leads through a WhatsApp. But before we move forward, let's understand how Instagram and WhatsApp works. So this is the WhatsApp ad. Here you can see ad creative and a simple call to action button. If somebody is interested to buy your product or services, they will click on this button. Once they click on this button, it will be redirected to the WhatsApp application. And once they click send message, you will get the direct notification and you can start engaging with that potential lead and start selling your product and services. So this is the easiest method on Instagram to generate leads for your business. Now let's move forward and think about what you will need to run WhatsApp ad on Instagram. So first thing, you will need the WhatsApp business application. So WhatsApp has two different variation, WhatsApp application and WhatsApp business. So make sure that you have WhatsApp business application installed on a phone. Second, Meta Ads Manager setup. All the ads on Instagram are managed through a Meta. So make sure that you have Meta Ads Manager account and all the settings and configuration you already done. If you don't know how to set up Meta Ads Manager account and do all the settings, then I already created a playlist for you. I'll link out a list over here so you can watch that list and complete your Meta Ads Manager settings. Third thing here we need is the target audience. You should know who is your target audience, where they live, what's their age range, what kind of a problem they are going through now, what kind of solution they are searching on the internet, and how your product and services can solve their problem. This is very essential because we are promoting our product and services on Instagram, and in return we are expecting hundreds of potential lead who could be interested in buying your product and services. So make sure that you know about your target customers. And the last thing you will require is the ad creative, which is nothing but a photo or video which we can use to promote your product and services on Instagram. I'll show you some samples of ad creative for your reference. If you don't know how to create ad creative for your business, then you can reach out to me. I'll be happy to help you to create ad creatives for your business. Or if you want, I can create complete design of this WhatsApp Ads Manager campaign for you. And to connect with me, you can check my contact details in the description box. And also I'll pin my contact information in the comments. So do check that and reach out to me. Now let's move forward. Once your ad creatives are ready, now we can move to the next part where I'll show you the step-by-step method of creating WhatsApp lead generation ad campaign inside Meta Ads Manager. Now let me share my screen with you and walk you through the step-by-step process. So here is the Meta Ads Manager dashboard, and here I'll use one of my client's account to showcase how to create WhatsApp lead generation ad campaign. As you can see here, I'm handling multiple client ad account. So basically I provide complete Meta Ads Manager services for all these client. If you want me to manage your ad campaign on Instagram and Facebook, then do reach out to me. I'll be happy to implement all this campaign for you. Check my contact detail in the description box. Now create the WhatsApp lead generation ad campaign. For that, click on create button. Here we need to select the campaign objective. We will select leads. Inside lead, you can see they are listed WhatsApp. Then click next. Here you need to select this option, manual leads campaign. Click continue. Okay, on this page, you have to just set your campaign name. Now scroll down. Will not make any changes over here. Now click next. Now here we have to set the ad set name. I'll write ad set name as WhatsApp lead ads. Now in the conversion section, scroll down and select WhatsApp to get leads on WhatsApp. Now scroll down. Here you will see your Facebook page and WhatsApp number directly linked over here. If you don't see your number getting listed over here, watch this video here. I'll show you how to link your WhatsApp number inside Meta Ads Manager. So make sure that your WhatsApp number is connected within a Meta Ads Manager. Otherwise, it will not show here and you will not be able to run WhatsApp lead generation ad campaign. Now move to the next. Here, set a daily budget. So here you can set daily budget, minimum daily budget as $5, $10, or in INR, you can go with the minimum daily budget of 200 rupees. Now go to the next, select start date, when do you want to start the ad? Then scroll down and here in the location section, click over here and type the city where you want to run the ad. You can add multiple cities over here. Then scroll down. You will see this option called Advantage Audience. Click here. Select the age range of your target customer. Then here by clicking edit, you can select the gender, male, female, or only male, male or only female. It's up to you. Then the detailed targeting. So in the detailed targeting, think about the most relevant keyword about your business. So for example, this ad is specific to a wedding photographer. So I'll type wedding over here and check if any relevant keyword I can see over here. So I can see wedding social concept, wedding dress, wedding photography, wedding ring. So all these are the relevant keyword for my client business. So I'll select all these options. So if you click over here, it can show you additional interest. So pick all the relevant interests over here and then move forward to the next section. Then once you're done, scroll down, check this box if you're not running ads related to securities and investment. Then scroll down on the placement, you click your edit and then select manual placement. In the manual placement, you can see by default all these four boxes are checked in. So it's showcasing where your ads will be displayed. It will be displayed on Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, Messenger. So I advise you to remove this Audience Network and Messenger and keep your ads limited to Facebook and Instagram. Then once you're done, click on next. So on this page, we will load all the ad creatives, but before we do that, set your ad name over here, then scroll down. In the identity section, you can see your Facebook page and Instagram account. It should be listed correctly over here. Then scroll down. Here you will see section called ad setup. We have the option to use image or video ad or carousel ad. For the demonstration purpose, I'll show you the image ad. For that, go to add creative section, click on setup ad creative, then click image ad. I'll select this image. Now you can see this is a square image and the square image is not getting perfectly fit within this vertical placement platform. So for this, I need to replace this image. So I'll click replace and select a vertical image with the correct dimensions. Now you can see this new image is perfectly fit over here. Okay, so no clutter. Now click next. Now in the image generation, we'll not do anything. We'll skip it. And here just click done. Okay, once you have uploaded your ad creatives, then check in this side, you can see all the ad creatives and the placement where how they will be shown on Instagram and Facebook. You can check all the placement preview over here. Once you are satisfied with this one, then scroll down. Here, provide the primary text and headline. This is basically ad copy. You can use ChatGPT. Just ask ChatGPT to create a primary text and headline for your ad, and it will provide you with a number of copies, which you can use it over here. Then scroll it down. And here you can see a chat builder option. Here we will create a template that will be used by our customer to connect with us. So click on the create template. So you have to select this option, start conversation, then click next. So here is the greeting message that will be by default automated greeting. It will be generated when customer click on your ad. And then here in the pre-filled message, this is the message coming from the customer. Hello, can I get more info on this? You can modify this message, provide a name, let's say welcome template, and click save. Now your template is already created. You can see welcome template. And if you want to see the preview, click on the destination over here and you can see how your template will look like. This is the automated greeting. This is automatically generated by Meta. So no need to worry about this one. And this is the custom message sent by the customer. Okay. Once you are happy with that, scroll down and click this publish button. Once you click this publish button, your ads will be reviewed by the Meta. And if there is a no issue, it will be published and they will be live on Instagram and Facebook, and your customer can start watching your ad and they will start reaching out to you on WhatsApp. So let me show you how this ad look on this dashboard. Okay, for that I'll show you one of my clients WhatsApp ad campaign example. So here we are use multiple ad creatives over here and you can see all the result over here. So for this specific ad creative, there are 27 conversations started. That means 27 people reach out to my client on WhatsApp. Here the number is 78, here 6, here 51 and 18. As you can see, a lot of potential lead reach out to my client to buy their wedding photography services. Okay. This is how your dashboard will start populating the numbers once your ads are live. So this is how you create your WhatsApp lead generation ad campaign inside Meta Ads Manager. So watch this video again and try to implement your ad campaign. And if you need help or you want me to set your WhatsApp lead generation ad campaign, then don't hesitate to reach out to me. My contact details are available in the description box. So do check that out. So that's it for now. If you like this video, click that like button and also do subscribe to this channel. This motivates me to create more videos for you. So don't leave this video before you click that subscribe button and hit that bell icon. And if you have any question, comment that you wish to share with me, or if you have any specific video request, then do share with me. Use the comment box for that and I'll definitely have a look into it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you soon.